Welcome back to Keto Journey. I'm Mike, your reformed fat man. Well, you want to make hamburgers, you find a good deal, you buy a lot of them that are already preformed patties because it's a great deal, but you really don't feel like standing there and tending to the hamburgers while they cook. So I'm going to show you a quick way of doing this, an easy way, and it's doing them in the oven. Got it, my oven preheating to 425, and this is what I've got. I've got some burgers here I'm gonna put in here I'm gonna season them up. So stick around and I'll show you how you can cook these burgers in the oven, and you don't have to stand watch over them and that kind of stuff. Okay, so I got these burgers. It's 2 pounds, 3 ounces. So it's almost 2 1/4 pounds. And they're pre-made. It's 80/20 and it's $10, and there's 10 patties in here. So I figured that's not a bad deal. I can't get 80/20 that cheap and make the burgers form them up myself, so I bought them like this. So what we're going to do is I'm taking them out of the wrapper. And these will be burgers we'll have on hand where we can eat them during the week and make it's kind of a meal planning thing. So let me get my salt here. All I'm going to do is season with salt and pepper. And I'll season both sides. It's on 2 layers. This is 5 on one layer and 5 on the other. So I'll take these out, hit here, and set it down right there. And this is a Ninja pan. I love Ninja if you hadn't already figured it out. And I got a rack on it so it'll drain it and they won't get too awful bad greasy sitting in their own grease like they do in a pan. So let me get this last one out here. I can do 6 of them at a time on this. Wash my hands. Okay. Now, let me turn this one over, and then we can do all of them. All of them get seasoned at once. There we go. All right, we just got to wait for this pan to preheat now, or for the oven to preheat.
These and get them out of the way.
Okay. All right, so my oven's preheated. Now I do have them on a grate. You don't have to put them on a grate. Just you can put them right onto the tin foil or onto the pan, whichever you prefer. I just want to try and do this way, personal preference. 425 for. I'm gonna check them at 10 minutes, but they're probably gonna take closer to 12, maybe even 15, to get a medium center. So come back when I get all of them done, because I'm gonna do the second batch of 5 after this. Okay, so here's what they look like And you can see it's just a little over medium, just a little bit, but they're juicy as they can be. And it went a total of 13 minutes. So 13 minutes, 425. Hope you'll give this a try. Miss Paige is going to do us a taste test and tell us what she thinks. Probably needs more salt for you.
Yeah, it does need more salt. So,
She is a salt queen for a reason, ladies and gentlemen.
I think most of the people out there would agree that this needs a little salt.
Okay, well, you know, we can doctor it up more. But do you like it? All right. Well, we'll be having them during the week. All righty.